Now, the next thing that you're going to do once you create these is you have to have a way to track this, right? So if you're in my other courses, you've gained a tracking system, and they can put that on a Google sheet. It's like an Excel sheet for you, and you can access that on your phone. And as you know from when I've taught about my trackers, I believe in color coding. How great would this be? Is that you see everyone who registered for the event, all on your phone, on your Google Sheets. And now you saw the live event, and you can go back and see everyone who watched it, right? If they commented, if they liked, you can see their name. And let's say you just highlighted them in yellow on that little Google Sheet. All right. So now there's 27 people who registered. 6 people are not marked in yellow. So what are you going to do with those people? Are you going to forget about them? No, of course not. You're going to reach back out to them and offer them the link to the replay and make it super easy for them, aren't you? But you would have never known who didn't show up if you weren't keeping track, right? So this is so genius because now you know who's interested. Now you know who showed up, and now you know who to follow up with. It's going to make your life so easy. It's going to take the overwhelm. If you are a leader and you have all these jot forms come to you for everyone on your team, you're going to know who showed up, who followed up. You're going to know where is it that you need to do a little more training in. So this is a genius system. So I hope that this makes sense to you. I hope that you're going to embrace it.